Well, it's Friday night, and we have a lot of activity going on in the bird world. Now the big one, see that up there? They are duking it out. They do it all the time. Chasing him down. Yep. It's going to be a good night. See how they use their wings, the big ones? If you get two of those big ones in there, they'll start hitting each other with their wings. Oh, there he is. He's back. They're going to start scratching. Oh, yeah. And I believe those are actually girls. Look at them. There they go. They're going to start swatting each other. Ooh, that one's pecking it. Ooh, she don't want to give up. She wants to eat too. Look at them go. The other one bailed and got on the ground. Ooh, here comes the other one. Somebody's going to get their ass kicked. Oh, there's three big ones now. She didn't know that other one was in there. Actually, there's two in there. See if it gets in. No, it's free. Now that one's in there, it's like, stay back, it's my turn. Introducing AT&T 4G LTE in Phoenix. The speeds up to 10 times faster than 3G.
Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.9. Visit AT&T.com or store for details. Smartphone each require a new 2-year service agreement with qualifying monthly data plan. Other charges and restrictions apply.
He's coming back. Oh, we got 4 of them now. Oh, they just keep going round and round.